UK Bank of England is putting its credibility on the line, and indeed the credibility of Liz Truss government on the line by saying that it's going to stop the repurchasing of government bonds on Friday. They've been purchasing government bonds to add liquidity to the market. It's said that the financial stability of the UK pension market in particular is under pressure because of a lack of liquidity. What's happened? Well, if we go back, Liz Truss first of all borrowed money in order to prop up the prices of energy, or to be able to support people to be able to pay their energy bills, to cap energy prices. They borrowed the money for that. They could have actually taken that money in taxes from the oil companies. They chose not to do so. They then reduced taxes, and again this was with borrowed money. IMF said this is unsustainable. Investors around the world again thought this was unsustainable. So there was a sell of sterling, sell of UK government bonds. This obviously caused issues in lots of different areas. Sterling fell, and then indeed there was a problem in the pensions market, because the pensions market is based on being able to get, in most cases, 70% of cases, fixed interest from the government. Stability on the line because of massive volatility. Government stepped in, Bank of England stepped in quickly to buy excess bonds, or to buy bonds to create liquidity and create liquidity in the market to make sure there was availability for people to have cash at a less expensive rate. By withdrawing these purchases, they will actually be lifting the rate. In other words, it's unsustainable to keep issuing the bonds, keep actually adding money to the economy. They say it's unsustainable. We're going to have to let it rise. That means interest rates are certainly going to rise. We've expected that anyway. Again, it means pensions are under pressure to sort their act out by Friday. What exactly does that mean? It means they've got to get liquidity. They can't be relying on the gilts that they've got, and indeed the type of policies that they've got in order to give the returns on defined benefit schemes that they have. It's a complicated situation, but what we're seeing is volatility. That means sterling likely to fall unless something is done and they reverse this announcement that they've made, which seems unlikely. Sterling to fall, interest rates to rise. So if you're looking at it as an investor, if you've got sterling, you'd be looking to move it now rather than later. You'd expect sterling to fall, you'd expect interest rates to rise, mortgages to rise, and of course that affects various different companies in the market. If you've got a pension, then you should be talking to a financial advisor, review it, see what you've actually got right now, and see if it can be put into the right areas to make sure that it's sustainable, so that you make sure that you've got yourself a great retirement. Okay, please like, please share the video as I put out information that's happening in the market, so you're up to date and you know exactly what's happening.